Welcome to Looking at the Markets. I want to show you the stocks that I will be looking at for the coming week. These are daily candlestick charts provided by finviz.com. First one I want to look at is Plug Power Stock, PLUG. And this thing has a falling wedge pattern here, and it's just falling, falling, falling. I don't see any support levels here at all in this whole chart, which goes back about a year. So for the short term, it's a little scary and may not be a great one to get into. Now for the very long term, if you're going to buy it and hold it for years and years, and if you believe in hydrogen energy and fuel cells, if you think that's the future, then this could be a good one to get into because the price is low. It's $9 and change on Friday at least it was, and it's been as high as 30 or even higher late last year. So it could be good for a double or triple, but no guarantees, and I'm thinking long term here. Short term, falling wedge, it just keeps on going down, so I don't like the short term price action. But it might be good for the long run. UAL, United Airlines stock. This chart looks a lot more encouraging. We have an upward trending channel here, but it's not sloping up too steeply. It's not going vertical or parabolic. It's a nice gradual incline here in this channel, and it's at the bottom of the channel. UAL stock looking pretty good around $42 and change. Yeah, I like this one. Caterpillar stock, huge construction and mining equipment company, CAT, Caterpillar. CAT stock fell out of this symmetrical triangle, falling, and you got your lower highs, lower lows. So this isn't looking so good for the short term, and there's a big air pocket below. A lot of room to fall. I'd like it at 170. I might consider it at 170 and then could always scale in and buy more at 160. That's a thought. Yeah, it's something to think about. Of course, you have to make your own decisions, do your own due diligence. Don't buy something just because somebody in a video likes it. That's not the reason. Alcoa stock, AA, is the ticker symbol. Aluminum mining company. And yeah, it's down. It didn't hold 40 on Friday, so that's a little unsettling. I'd like to see where it lands, and I'd like to see it stay there. Didn't hold the 40 level too well, so I'm looking at 35. I'm going to be patient and wait until it gets to 35 and see how it behaves there. Yeah. BAC stock, Bank of America. I know bank stocks are scary right now, but if you see some bargains, if you see big banks doing better than some regional banks, that could be encouraging. There may be consolidation in the banking sector as people are sometimes taking their deposits out of smaller regional banks and putting them into huge banks like Bank of America. So BAC stock could be good. And there seems to be an important level around 28. Not a bad price. Yeah. I would, if I bought it and it did well, I would probably think about selling at 38. There seems to be resistance there, and that would be a pretty good profit for a mega cap stock like this. I'm not going to ask for 1,000% gains immediately in a stock like that. MMM stock, 3M, huge industrial manufacturing type of company, and it's way down, getting near 100. Yeah, if it gets to 100, it's not that far. That could be worth looking at. Maybe target a 50% gain from 100 to 150. It's been there. It was at 150 a couple times last year. Yeah, that could be pretty good. Huge company. Here's a lithium stock, LAC, Lithium Americas. And $18 looks pretty important. Look at the bounce off of 18 there. You have, it looks like a channel that's descending, but look at that nice bounce there, though. If it gets to 18, that could be pretty good. Yeah, I think I would like that price. Now it is falling. All right, you have I see 4 red candles in a row, so you don't want to catch a falling rock necessarily. You might hurt yourself if you do that. So let's see how it behaves at 18 if it gets there. MP Materials. MP is the ticker symbol. I don't talk about this one probably as much as I should. Maybe I should consider it more often. MP it's a rare earths type of company, and this looks like it has support at 23. more like 24. Let's call it 24. Seems to be holding 26. I'd like 24. I would like that. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to pick my price and not chase anything. I'm going to just sit on my hands sometimes and let it come to you. And if it doesn't get down there, doesn't get to my price, that's fine. There are other opportunities in the markets that I can look for. And there appears to be resistance at 36. So if I were to buy at 24, sell at 36, not bad. That's a 50% gain if that happens. I'll take it, wouldn't you? Don't be greedy, folks. All right, pick your prices and wait, but don't chase and don't be greedy. All right, so if I had to pick one I like the best, yeah, UAL, United Airlines stock. There's risk in the airlines, but this chart looks pretty good. I like the way it's at the bottom of this gradually uptrending channel here. Yeah, not bad. And it's not too high, not too low. I like it. But make your own decisions. All right, so let's be careful out there. Pick your prices and wait until it gets there, and you'll be, I think, happier as a trader and investor. So thank you for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.